Hello, trading is closed on April 11th, 2019. We looked for the pattern with an early high. We said either it rallied and closed near the day's high or else dropped in a straight line, something like that. We were hoping that the pattern would be clearer after the open, but instead we didn't make a directional call and we closed unchanged. During the day, MEJT said this rally was false, said this drop was false, said this drop was false. We've had all the retracements called for by the system. The retracement to this line came right at the end, so we closed right at resistance. Well, whenever you have an unchanged close like this, calling the next day involves guesswork of some sort. Typically, when this doesn't close near the high with this pattern, leads to more of a drop than we've had. Now, tomorrow it'll be invalidated if we gap up and take out this high. It's possible because tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. But normally, when you don't gap up and hit a new high, I'd expect to see lower prices. The real issue here is a week ago, we gapped up. The high of the initial rally was 28.8868. Since then, we haven't been able to close over that price and hold it at the next day's open. You'll recall that the open of the next day is equivalent. It's the surrogate for the close of the present day. So we really haven't been able to close and maintain an open over that price. We have what I think is a plausible count, not the only count, for ending the diagonal triangle. So even though futures are up now, I think the burden of proof is on the bulls. They have to gap and take this out early, or else lower prices print. It's not a lock that we print lower, but I think it's more likely than not. And if I'm wrong, we'll know before we open. And that's today's call.